You put you some pearls on, some cute heels. Make sure them hips is poking in. Mm, mm, mm. I like. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we're gonna do another trial haul. This is a sweater slash jacket or outerwear trial haul for Fashion Nova. And let's start with this black sweater that I'm wearing. This is just like a black sweater. It's cute. I don't know, can you see? It got like the fringes. See, it have like the fringes all the way around. Also, here at the top and on the sleeves. It's real cute. I would say maybe crop top because these leggings I got on are kind of high waisted. So see when I raise up my hands, kind of come up a little. But I mean, you can pair these with like some high waist jeans, or you know, if you like your stomach out, you get some regular jeans. But this top is really cute. What y'all think about this top? I like it. I had a different sweater like this before. And like I said, I'll leave the links in the description down below for each one of the tops. Okay, so this next top I have, I got this in a size medium. I don't think I said the size in that black sweater I just had on, but that was, oh, but that black sweater I had on was a size small. Y'all already know all my clothes be all different sizes because everything runs differently and fit differently on me. So this next one, I would say this is more like a sportswear type of jacket. Scoot back so you can see it. It is cropped. See, as you can see, it's cute. This is black and with like neon yellow or green, and it does have this drawstring. Let's see. If you wanna, you know, bring it up some. I like it though. Some you can throw on with some leggings or some jeans or whatever. But we got this pocket here. You can put something in there. But yeah, this is real cute and sporty like. What do y'all think? And this, once again, is a medium. It's cute. Okay, so this next jacket, it's really fitted. I got this in a size large, actually. I'm glad I did because you see it's kind of hugs tight. What I really like about this jacket is the gold zipper on it. You know, you don't see too much gold, so yep, let me back up. Like I said, it's tight on me. And I guess you can also, you know, you can wear this with whatever you want. Jeans, leggings, skirt, I don't know. But I like it. I probably will kind of have it kind of down like this. Yeah, this is a large. It's just a white jacket with gold detailing on the zipper. So I think with that gold, like you can probably dress it up a little bit, you know. What do you think? All right, next one. Okay, so this next jacket is this really cute, fluffy bomber jacket, furry. This giving me that rich chick vibes. What you think? I really like this. I like the color. Like, I really like neutral colors. And, you know, this I got in a large, actually. It's really warm. Uh, this will be cute. You put you some pearls on. Some cute heels. Make sure them hips is poking and mm, mm, mm. I like this jacket though. Cute. Okay, y'all. So this next jacket is another white jacket. It's actually white on white. The zipper white on it. It's more like a yoga jacket. Let me step back so you can see it. Look, gonna start with this. It have the thumb holes in it for everybody who like those. It's really stretchy. I got this one in a size medium. I like this one. It makes me look snatched a little bit. But nah, this jacket, guess you can say it's stretch. The band, to me, the band don't stretch, but it gives you more of a, silhouette. I guess you could say it's tighter here than it is here. Um, yeah, this one cute. So what you think about this jacket? Like I said, this one in a size medium, and to me, I mean, I don't like my stuff extra big, but it depends on how you like yours. So, I think it's cute. Some little jacket to throw on when it's cold. It don't have a hood on this one though. It's just a regular jacket. Okay, so this next sweater is similar to the black one, but it's not the same sweater. I think the black one I had got in a small. This one here is a medium. And like I said, a lot of the times I look at the reviews, and if the people say it runs big, if it's stretch and all of that, that's how I determine what I order online. I love to read the reviews because, as you know, everything fits differently. You can't get, it's not a one size fit all. If I'm in a medium, run medium and everything. If I'm in a large, it don't work like that in women clothes. At least not in my clothes. But this one is cute. I would say it's cropped. Because I might need to change the lighting. Let me see. Is that better? I can't really tell. This light is blinding me. I'm trying to see. Get a better look of it. Okay, so this sweater here, I would say it's a crop top sweater, new tune. And like I said, these leggings I have on are high waisted, so I think it's like a crop sweater, and it does have the detailing all the way around, just like a star. If you can see all of these hanging, almost like the black one, except for these are more defined. And I like the V-neck. It's cut kind of low, and the arms are long. But yeah, I think this would be really cute. I'm like feeling the nudes and the whites for the winter for some reason instead of the black. Like white and gold or nude and gold, or I'm feeling the gold and the lighter colors right now during this winter season. That's why I got this. I will probably wear this with some cute jeans, or darker leggings or something like that. So yeah, I'm feeling this sweater. What do y'all think about this sweater? It look a lot like the other one, but like I said, here, it's kind of like each one of them is kind of made like a triangle on here, all the way around. See? But I like it though. I'm looking pretty good. I don't look like I'm have to send nothing back, which I'm glad because I hate sending stuff back. But this sweater's nice. You probably can, you know, maybe if I would have got it a little bigger, it'll be able to hang off the shoulder a little. See what I'm saying? It's cute. Okay, so this next jacket, it is I think another bomber jacket, but it's not fluffy like the other one. It's made more like a denim bomber jacket, and it's cute. It's camouflage. The detailing on the zipper is gold. I don't know if you can tell with the light, but it's gold. And I just had to get this one because I love dressing up in my little cowgirl boots or whatever, you know, going to hang out at the barn or whatever, you know. Camouflage goes a lot with Western wear. So, you know, when I just want to throw on a jacket, I won't always have to wear like my denim jacket. I can put this on, you know, with some cute jeans, my boots, or whatever. And my favorite color is green. I don't know if you can tell. My contacts, my braces, and yes. So a lot of the times I wear green because it brings out my features. But yes, I like this jacket. I think I got this jacket. It's in a size large. It do have rips. See, so it's got a little distress. It's cute. They have these pockets, but they're not real pockets. They're stitched up. But you know, I would probably just hang my hands through it or whatever. But they're stitched. So you can't really use the pockets or whatever. And it hits right at the waist. So I wouldn't say it was cropped, but it's not long at all. It's right at the waist. But I like this jacket. What do you think about this camo jacket? Fashion Nova. Okay, so this next sweater is really cute. It's almost like a turtleneck, but it's not really choking you like a turtleneck. In the color, it may look white. Let me see if I can change the light. Okay, so the color is not white. It's more like a off-white. Um, it's real light, but it's like a off-white, and it is cropped. It's cute though. Like I think this more of a dress up type sweater. I guess you could. I don't know if you can dress this down, but the color of it and yeah, it's a mirror over there too, so that's why I'm looking. The color of it is cute. I really like the neck of it. I like the other sweaters with the low cut neck, but this one is different, and it's not, like I said, it's not choking me. It got the little slits made in here. Not too much though. And I guess, you know, if you wear necklaces, it'll help it to hang out. Because, you know, any other turtleneck, you either going to have to put them on the outside or you ain't going to be able to show your necklace. It's little rips here on the hands. But yeah, I would even say I don't really wear like nude color leggings or whatever, but I think this would be cute with it. With some nude, a darker shade of nude color leggings with some cute heels with gold on it. I don't know, like just for some reason I am feeling, like I said, the gold and the tans and the whites this winter. What do you think about this shirt? And I think this is my last shirt. So Yes, so this is my last shirt, sweater. So this is my last sweater that I'm going to show. I think that's all of them. And like I said, I will try to leave all the links below for all of these. This one, size I got this one in. Okay, so this one is a medium. And like I said, you see, it's cropped. It hangs kind of lower at the back. But it's not bad to where, you know, it's not too short though. I think it hangs just right. Um, so yeah. I want to say again, thank you for supporting me, for watching my channel. Um, I'm going to be doing more try on hauls. And none of this is sponsored right now. Hopefully one day I'll be sponsored. But all of this I bought with my own money. And I really like the way Fashion Nova clothes fit. I do want to try to do other places, you know, do reviews on those clothes too. So stay tuned. I will be having more. And I caught a lot of shoes at Fashion Nova. I think I'm gonna do a Fashion Nova shoe haul coming soon, just to show you. Cause baby, don't sleep on their shoes either. I put one pair of heels on, y'all. I know this is off of the subject of these sweaters, but man, they were so pretty. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But I want to say thank you for coming to watch my video. And if you're new, please hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, thank you for supporting me. And see you later.